To understand the time reversal and time shifting more, let us do some problems. Sketch the following signal. U of minus t plus 1. We know that u of t is a step function. How it looks like, it will be like this. It goes up to infinity. Time goes up to infinity. Its magnitude is 1. That is u of t. What is u of minus t? Time reversal. That is time reversal. That is 1 up to minus infinity. This is time u of minus t. Just a mirror image about y-axis. That is u of minus t. Now we have to find u of minus t plus 1. For that, let us do one thing. Let us take that minus sign side t minus 1. So this minus sign indicates that time reversal. Time reversal. And this minus sign indicates the delay. Therefore, time already reversed. Now we have to delay. Delay means 1 second delay. 1 second delay means minus infinity plus 1. Minus infinity plus delay 1. So if you add minus infinity plus 1 equal to minus infinity. That's why there is no change in the initial. But the end, where it ends, at the end, it ends at 0. If a signal is delayed, means it ends with a delay. Therefore, it will end at 1. Therefore, this minus 1 indicates delay. No, that's why it will this will end at 1, not at 0. Therefore, the signal will be looking like this. This is u of minus t plus 1. Now let us see one more. Fetch the following signal. Minus 2u of t minus 1. T minus 1. U of t we know. A step function. This is u of t. This is u of t. What is u of 2t minus 2t? U of minus 2t means its magnitude is minus 2. Minus 2 u of t. This is minus 2 u of t. What is minus 2 u of t minus 1? Delay by 1 second. So here it starts at 0, but it will start at 1 instead of 0. It will start at 1. This is 0. It starts at 1. Magnitude here is minus 2. That is, this signal is minus 2u t minus 1. Now let us see one more sum. 3r sketch 3r of t minus 1. R of t minus 1. R means 3r of t minus 1. It is a ramp function whose slope is 1, unity. Unity means if we take a 1 here also it will be 1. Therefore, slope is equal to 1. Slope equal to 1. But here 3r, that's why slope must be 3. So convert like this. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1. So slope is 3. So now we got the signal is 3r of t. But with a delay of 1 second, therefore Instead of starting at 0, it should start at 1. Slope is 3 r of t minus 1. Start at 1 instead of 0. So this is 3 r t minus 1. That's all. Then fourth sum. Sketch 2 r of t minus 2 r of t. What is that? R of t is what? R of t is unit slope. Slope equal to 1. It means here 1 means here also 1. That is slope 1. 2r means slope is 2. 1, 2. If we draw here, it will be 1. Then slope is 2. 2r we got. Minus 2r means it will be inverted. Mirror image about x-axis, that is minus. So what you will get is this is minus 2 r of t. Mirror in this is r of 2 r of t, 2 r of t. This is minus 2 r of t. This is minus 2 r of t. This is 2 r of t. If you invert, this is minus 2 r of t. Mirror image about x-axis is minus. Magnitude minus. So magnitude minus means we have to take mirror image about x-axis. Time reversal means you have to take mirror image about y-axis. There is the difference. Sketch fifth one. Sketch r minus t plus 2. R of t is what? Unit slopes in ramp is in. Here 1 means here also 1. Therefore, the slope is 1. So time reversal, r of minus t. So r of minus t means mirror image about y-axis. This is slope 1, but r of minus t we got. Now we have to find r of minus t plus 2. We'll write in the other page. R of minus of t minus 2. This minus indicates that time reversal. Time reversal. This minus 2 indicates delay. Delay. Therefore, it starts at 0. Delay means it should start at 2 instead of 0. So now this is r of minus t. If it starts at minus 2, plus 2, then it is called r of minus t plus 2. This is also equal to r of minus of t minus 2. This minus sign for time reversal, this minus sign for delay. This is for time reversal. Time reversal. That's all. Now let us find another signal we will draw. Phi of t plus 3. Phi of t we know, rectangular signal. It looks like this. Magnitude is unity. Both sides t equal to 0.5 or 1/2. Here also t equal to minus 0.5 equal to minus 1/2. So here t plus 3. Plus 3 means advanced. So where it starts at 0.5. So it will be advanced means it should move to its left. So what we have to do, instead of starting at 0.5, instead of starting at 0.5, this is 1, 2, 3, 3.5. It should start at 3.5. Here where it ends 0.5. This side we have to move 3 times. If you move 3 times, it ends at 2.5. Therefore, it will be like 2.5 minus 2.5. This is pi of t plus 3. So time shifting. Here, time shifting to the left because it is advanced. Plus, that's why it is advanced. So advanced by left 3 units. That's all.